You asked, how to divide 7150 by 7 using the long division method. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 7 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 15 minus 14 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 1021 remainder 3.